What does it take to dream our biggest dreams? I see it as building a bonfire on the beach. What starts as a little bit of fuel and a little spark of hope can ignite. That fire has to deal with all the elements. Sometimes the tide comes in and the waves crash and they threaten to extinguish what you've built through rejection, failure, the people you love telling you that your dreams make no sense, that they're impossible, that you're naive, you should do something else. And life has its way of being stormy. The world around us is full of negativity and chaos. Our logs become wet, and sometimes it feels like our flame goes out entirely. A few years ago, I had built my bonfire to the point where I had the best years of my teaching career. So I dreamed a bigger dream. I quit my job to create my own education program, and then a tsunami hit, a massive tidal wave that submerged the entire shore. Everything I'd built had been washed away. And to my surprise, the flame of hope didn't go out. Even completely submerged, it somehow kept burning. And I've spent the last few years finding as much magic and wonder in the world as possible, collecting logs, museums, concerts, looking in places like ecstatic dance, finding anything that could add fuel that helped me to believe in my dreams, to believe in humanity, to believe in the future, to believe in myself. I've met so many incredible humans, people who are building their own bonfires, dreaming their own dreams. By seeing what others are doing, you see, oh, I can use this kind of wood too. This can be kindling. This can be a new frame that might hold better in the wind. It's hard. The tide keeps coming in, the waves keep crashing, storm clouds pour on us. Whether I've known you for years or I've only met you once, I see that you are building a fire, that you are doing what you can to keep that spark of hope alive. And I want to bring people together that can provide fuel. Whether you've got just a few soggy sticks or you've got a raging inferno, imagine what could happen if we bring all of our fires together for just one night. We can share our inspiration, share our experience, share our dreams, and leave feeling ignited, leave feeling alive, full of passion and purpose, hope and inspiration. That's what this night is about. So find those around you. Anyone that you see out there creating their own bonfire at the beach. Let's come together and build a giant flame. See you there.